It's back. He might not want to be in this video because he can easily cry. And I'm giving the thing to him. Oh. There's his head. Oh, bless you! Over here. Oh, it looks like Amir's about to have a crying seizure. I'm recording Amir going. I'm recording Amir. Uh-oh. I don't think he's scared.
Where are you going? Are you about to take a shower?
Oh, here, Amir. Get the camera.